I miss the old you, the one that held me down and kinda told the truth.
Hey guys, what's up? So it is currently 10:30 on February 13th, which is actually a Tuesday. I'm not in school today because I'm doing something super exciting. Allison is not with me because she is in school, but we will continue this vlog together at the end of it. But for a little bit, it's just going to be me vlogging, so you'll just have to deal with that for a little bit. But yeah, let's get into it. Back with the next segment of Drive with me and Mom. I don't even know if the other clip that I filmed will be put in the video because I think it was the wrong way. So if it's not, she was extremely stressed out and needed me to turn off the camera. She demanded it.
I just have to pay attention.
No, she just has to pee really bad, actually. Not even 30 minutes later and you have to pee again.
I know. Welcome to, motherhood when you get older.
I'm gonna cut that out. What?
Cold, and she didn't want her to get sick. And this little thing has not made one peep all the way here. Is this your new mommy? She was. Aww. I decided to keep her name. She is beautiful. She sees herself, so she's playing. But she is a mini Australian Shepherd in the color Red Tri. Come here. So yeah, I'll check you guys in a little bit later when I get home. But that is what we did today. Say bye, Evie. So we're back together now. It's the next day and we're playing with the puppy and we're gonna film a little bit. We have a few places to go and we're gonna film a little bit. She's being very good today. Yesterday in the car she was crazy. Where are you going? So yeah, we'll see you at our yeah, okay. It's a boy or girl?
It's a girl. She's a mini Australian. I got her yesterday.
She is so cute. Oh my god.
Oh, she doesn't like running like me.
Thank you guys for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. If you think Evie is cute, so that should be about 400 million thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you all next time.